I have this very vivid memory from when I was in high school and I first learned about the periodic table. My teacher was pointing up at one of those huge periodic table posters, and he pointed to one of these blank squares. And he said that someday we're going to discover a new element that's going to live in this blank square, and we already know what some of its properties are going to be, just because of where it is on the periodic table. As a teenager, I thought this was the most amazing thing. Like, how could we already know so much information about something we haven't even discovered yet? So now that I'm actually working in a group that studies these heaviest elements, it just blows me away. Not only do I get a chance to work at a place where these elements were discovered, but now I get to work on actually learning about the properties of those elements. When I think about most fundamental research, it's like the quest for human knowledge, as opposed to trying to find a cure for cancer or a new battery. It's just getting back to basics. Isotopes are some of the most basic building blocks that we have to work with, to sort of show us how the universe organizes itself. So every time we find a new isotope, that gives us a piece of information that we've never had access to before. So that can allow us to test all of the models and things that we've created to see, do we actually understand what the universe is doing? What I think is most exciting about this research is that only a few atoms of the heaviest elements have ever been observed. Very, very small quantities. And I have direct access to the ability to make these atoms and then study them further.